Hey designers, welcome back to Yaomomo, your creative home for fashion innovation and digital design. Today's lesson is super exciting. We are diving into AI fashion design, what it really means, and how you can start creating AI-inspired fashion sketches, even if you can't draw at all. By the end of this video, you'll understand what AI fashion design really means. You'll know how to use basic AI tools to generate clothing ideas. And you'll create your first AI fashion sketches and patterns. So grab your notebook, open your laptop, and let's get creative. So what exactly is AI fashion design? It's simply using artificial intelligence tools to help you design. Faster, smarter, and with endless inspiration. AI can help you in four main ways. 1. Design ideation, generating styles, color palettes, and looks. 2. Pattern creation, designing unique fabrics and textures. 3. 3D visualization, simulating how garments will look and move. And 4. Market forecasting, predicting fashion trends. It doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. Think of AI as your digital fashion assistant that sketches your imagination even when your hand can't. Examples of AI in fashion. Here are some real examples of how designers use AI today. For style creation, tools like Midjourney and Leonardo.ai turn simple text prompts into fashion sketches. For pattern design, tools like Crea, AI or Pattern Dye create fabric prints and textile patterns. For virtual fitting, CLO 3D and Marvelous Designer simulate your clothes on realistic 3D models. And for marketing and branding, ChatGPT, Canva Magic Studio, or Runway ML help you write captions, edit videos, and design lookbooks. So just like a traditional designer uses a sketchpad and pencil, an AI designer uses ChatGPT and Midjourney. You still control the vision, AI just helps you visualize it faster. If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI fashion tutorials. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a creative update. Next class, we'll explore how to use AI to plan a fashion collection and forecast fashion trends. You don't want to miss that. See you in the next video, Designers 2 Hearts. This is Yaomomo, where creativity meets innovation.